Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys, we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone guys Bluetooth setting. In this video friends, we will talk about guys how can we connect headphone with our Redmi phone. Guys, you want to connect guys your headphone with your phone, so then how can you connect? Today I will show you guys in this video friends. We will talk about it. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting and guys you can see guys your phone Bluetooth setting. Guys click on your phone Bluetooth setting, then guys we will have to on guys our bluetooth, and before on guys first of all guys we will on our headphones. So guys turn on your headphones. After on guys you can see guys this right side icon guys, tap here means turn on your phone bluetooth setting guys. After on bluetooth setting I refresh it, then guys you can see guys your headphone name guys. So guys click on your headphone name. I have got this beauty headphone, and guys you can see this notification guys, tap here, then it will connect to your phone, then guys you can use your headphone. You can see connected. So guys now you can use your headphone with your Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys. Bye friends.